Hello, I'm Dr. Jamuna. Ramadan Kareem to everybody. I am a pediatrician from Golden Sands Med Center, a part of Aster Medical Group. So today I'll be talking to you on the importance of growth monitoring in children. So regularly when children are brought to the pediatric OPD, we monitor their growth and record them on what we call as growth charts. So a regular monitoring will have a visible appearance of how your child is growing. So first is it ensures that your child is growing normally. Second is it also helps us in detecting chronic ailments well ahead even before symptoms start occurring. In today's world, which is very sedentary, even our children are going in for more of junk food. So they are eating more energy rich and nutrient poor food. So they are also prone for what is called as lifestyle disorders. So regularly monitoring them on these growth chart can also help us in detecting what is called as metabolic syndrome. So during Ramadan, we would like to say that children who are, especially the older children who are going to be fasting, it is very important that at the break of the fast, they take something which can immediately give them calories. That is, when you break your fast, you can either use juice or fruits can be taken, which will immediately make you feel better. Then they can go in for a heavy meal. This helps in controlling the blood sugar, which was a little lower during the period of fast. This advice is also applicable for children who are already suffering from some ailments like IDDM, who are already on treatment with insulin. And it is also important that children of these disorders who are fasting, who need to go and get their insulin regimens changed during the period of fasting. So normally fasting is a period when your body tries to utilize whatever has been stored during the process of normal eating. That is, the glycogen from the liver is being used for supplying energy during the process of fasting. So again, it is very important that after or before the fast, whatever you eat is very important. The kind of food that you're going to eat is going to be very important. It is essential that even children don't go in for junk foods. They are preferably, they should take food that is made at home, which should be a combination of diet. That is, it should contain some cereal and it should be rich with lot of vegetables, fruits, juices and plenty of water, which should never be forgotten, especially in the summer months when you are staying within air conditioned atmosphere. You may not be wanting to take a lot of water. So please see that you at least take 4 to 6 glasses of water, and during the period of fasting include all varieties of food. So this should be cereals, this should be protein, and it should be a mix of non-vegetarian items like meat, egg and preferably fish if possible. And a lot of fatty foods can be avoided during the period of eating. And there is no need to binge, that is a lot of food taken during same time. During regular intervals, if you can make these food distributed over a period, this will help in maintaining your blood sugar, and the glycogen stores in your liver will also help you in maintaining your period of fast when you may not have going in for low blood sugar levels, which can also lead to fainting and these kind of episodes. And so it may help you during the process of fasting, which can be very smooth and you will not suffer from any kind of illnesses. I would like to conclude by saying that with the few tips that I told you regarding the food, I am sure all of you are going to have a very good fasting period. You do not have any untowards even during these fasting episodes, and please take care regarding the kind of foods that I have advised you, and the post fast session, which is very important. See that you don't binge during that time, and probably energy rich food, that is your juices, will help you in quickly coming you out of the period of fast. I wish all of you a happy Ramadan.